Who's that green engine?
Percy.
Percy. Are they chasing each other? Yeah. Oops. Toby stuck again. Oop. Percy pushed him. You want to put another one?
Yeah.
And who's the third engine?
Samson the spy.
Samson the spy?
Yeah.
Cool. Toby stuck again and Percy pushed him. And here they come. Here comes Toby. Here comes Percy. And slide! And slide! And it's Samson's turn. And slide!
And it goes over Thomas's bridge.
Uh-huh. There you go. Want to put another one?
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 And who's the fourth engine?
Diesel.
Diesel.
I want to see it.
Come on up. Whoa!
And it goes over Thomas's bridge.
Here comes Diesel. Whoa! Oh! Somebody got derailed! Percy got derailed. Oh, and he's back on track. You want to put a fifth engine? Uh-oh. Boog. 3 of them got derailed. There was a big accident. Oh, no. Thank you for helping. Oh, no. Whoa. 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 Who's next? Ooh. Somebody's having a hard time. Boom! I think there'll be another accident. Who's that fifth one? James. You gotta fix the track. Oh no! That's why they're derailing. Oh no! Crash! 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 You gotta fix it fast. Come on!
The bridge.
The bridge. Oh no! The bridge is collapsing. Oh no! Did you fix it?
Yep.
Cool. Are we running another one?
Yep.
After James?
Another green one.
And who is that?
Scruff. Another green one.
Scruff. How many engines are on the track now?
6.
6. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, somebody got derailed. Oh, James and Samson got derailed. Wow, there was a traffic jam. Did you get to fix the tracks?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Here they come, here they come, here they come. Oh, another accident! Oh! Why is there an accident on that side? Oh no!
Too many things going on.
Too many things going on. Oh no! You want to put another train?
Yeah.
Let's go! Cool, man. Now I think they're running smoothly. No accidents. Whoa, that was fun. And who's that? Emily! I think Emily's running out of battery.
Yeah.
Okay, so put another one. And who was that? Hurry, hurry, hurry. There's a traffic jam right there.
Oh.
Whoa.
Jesus, her.
Whoa, whoa. Crash, crash. Whoa, that's a lot of accidents.
Huh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What's going on? Look, who is derailed? Samson and Scruff got derailed. Oh no! Oh no! James! What happened to James? Oh, Toby got stuck right there. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa.
Let's turn them all around the other way.
Okay. Oh no!
Let's see.
Opposite direction?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Why is James getting stuck all the time? Uh-oh. Oh, Samson is trying to push Toby. Ow, crash.
Toby, look what happened.
What is it?
You can't climb up the hill.
It can't? Why not?
Look, see? See?
Why? Why can he not climb up the hill? What's wrong with him? Is he not strong enough? So let's try Diesel. Good job. Diesel can do it. What about James? Oops. James can do it. Oh, why are they getting derailed on that side? Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no. Whoa, James got derailed and Samson got derailed. Here comes Percy. And here comes Diesel. They're okay. Oh, Percy got derailed. Ah, Scruff got derailed. James. Everybody's getting derailed. You have to fix the bridge. Oh no, accidents happen. Oh no, that's a big accident. Scruff, James. Help, help, help. Are you helping? Oh no, Samson got in an accident too.
Percy.
Oh no, Percy's stuck. And Diesel's stuck too. Oh no. Oh, crash! And the bridge collapsed! Oh no! It's gone so crazy out here! Okay, say bye now. Oh no! And it really crashed! That's a big accident.
Bye-bye.
Oh my. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to...
Then don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. Bye. Everybody's in an accident. Look at this mess. Bye for now.